Well, hey, it's Daniel from Walker.
And I'm Tom.
Hey, we're here at the outdoor booth for Walker at the GIE+EXPO in Louisville. And we thought we'd give you a quick tour.
Yeah, let's do. Why don't you come inside our outdoor booth?
Let's check it out.
So this is our T30i we got sitting at the front entrance here to our outside booth. And I want to show you, this one's got a high dump on it. If you've never used one of our high dumps, you should take a look at this.
This thing's awesome. Operators tell us all the time, this thing pays for itself in no time. All day long, you can stay in the operator's seat and remain productive.
And it takes about 30 seconds for you to dump your grass, like in the back of your truck or in a dumpster, and then lower it back down and go on to the rest of your job.
If you've never seen one of these, make sure you check them out.
Yeah. Hey, let's go see if we can ride a lawnmower over here.
Hey Tom, I have an idea. Why don't you walk it through like I'm a customer who's never ridden one of these before?
Perfect, that sounds great.
Cool.
All right, so Daniel, have you ever ridden a horse before?
Yeah, everybody's ridden a horse.
All right, so when you're riding a horse, you have reins in your hand, right? Well, let's say you want to go left. How do you do that?
Pull back on the left-hand rein.
That's right, and if you want to go right, you pull back on the right.
Yep.
All right, so why don't you jump in here, get on the seat. How do you like that comfort seat?
Oh man, this thing's nice.
Those are nice, and I like them with the armrests too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so first thing you want to do is make sure you keep your right hand on the forward speed control. Okay. That's what's going to make you go forward.
You
also,
like that?
Yep. And then if you want to stop, you just pull back to stop.
All right.
Okay, perfect. All right, now, like we said about riding a horse, you're going to want to keep your left hand on the steering levers. Okay, so where are you going to put your...
my coffee. Where am I going to put it?
Man, if we only had a cup holder.
You guys need a cup. A cup holder!
We have a cup holder!
Walker's got a cup holder!
The secret...
Front mount cup holder!
That's right, the secret revealed.
Look at that!
Perfect!
Nice!
All right.
Okay, cool.
So go ahead and put your left hand on the steering levers there. Okay, so if you want to turn left, what are you going to do?
Just pull back like that?
All right, yeah, you're just going to use your fingers.
Yeah.
Turn right, how are you going to do that?
Like that.
What if you want to go in reverse?
Pull them both back.
Go straight back. Perfect.
Nice. Easy.
All right, so how about this? I'm going to ride the machine next to you. Why don't you follow me?
Great. Hey, let's get this on film. Noah, give me that camera. Let's do it.
Daniel, how'd you do?
Hey, I did awesome. The Walker mower is awesome and easy to drive.
It is. It's smooth and a lot of fun. So if you guys haven't had a chance, why don't you come out and see us at the outside booth? We'd love to show you around.
That's right. Make sure you come stop us and say hi. See ya.